So today I will discuss the board question. Your question is L and K are partners, so you have to write in your copy. So L and K are partners in a firm. Their capitals are 3 lakh and 2 lakh given in the question. During the year ended 31st March 2010, the firm had earned a profit 1,50,000, assuming that the normal rate of return is 20%. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization method. By capitalization method means by capitalization of average profit method and by super profit method. If the goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. So first you calculate by capitalization of average profit method. Here given by capitalization method, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ मानेंगे by capitalization of average profit method. So what is the formula of capitalization of average profit method? The formula is capitalization of average profit method. So the capitalized value of AVP is equal to AVP into 100 and divided by NRR. Now the next formula of goodwill. What is the formula of goodwill? So next first you calculate capitalization of average profit method. Now you calculate capitalized assets. It means capitalized capital employed. Second thing, you calculate capital employed. Now the formula of capital employed is assets minus liabilities. Clear? Now the next, how to calculate the goodwill? Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit, capitalized value of AVP minus net assets. So in this question, capitalized value of average profit. So the profit had earned profit. I will explain again. L and K are partners in a firm. Their capitals are 3 lakh and 2 lakh during the year ended 31st March 2010. The firm had earned profit 1,50,000, assuming that the normal rate of return is 20%. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization method. By capitalization method is capitalization of average profit method. So the formula is capitalized value of AVP into 100 divided by NRR. So AVP has given in the question. How much AVP has given in the question? 1,50,000 given in the question. Into 100 and divided by NRR. 20%. So 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. It means 7,50,000. 7,50,000 given in the question. Capital employed, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of AVP. Second method, capital employed and assets. और हमें चाहिए क्या? assets. गुडविल को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट हमको मिल गई. नेट एसेट्स का मतलब होता है कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड, और कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड आपको दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में 3 लाख एंड 2 लाख. सो सेकेंड फॉर्मूले की जरूरत नहीं है हमको यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला, फर्स्ट कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवीपी, सेकेंड गुडविल. कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवीपी हाउ मच? 7,50,000 माइनस नेट एसेट्स. जितनी हमारी कैपिटल होगी उतनी ही क्या होगी? नेट एसेट्स. 3 plus 2, 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, it means 5 lakh. The answer will be 2,50,000 minus 5 lakh, it means 2,50,000. Answer, first answer. ठीक है. Next point, by super profit method. Now you have done by capitalization average profit method. Now I will start by super profit method. So first you write this thing, capitalized value of AVP into 100 divided by NRR. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 20. 1,50,000 AVP has given in the question. 7,50,000 goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus, यानी जो हमारी कैपिटल है वही नेट एसेट्स होती है, और कैपिटल हमने बताया था कि जितनी कैपिटल हो वही हमारी नेट एसेट्स होगी माइनस नेट एसेट्स, तो सेकंड वाली फॉर्मूले की जरूरत नहीं थी. तो 7,50,000 minus 5 lakh is equal to 2,50,000. Now the second thing, calculate the goodwill amount by super profit method. So what is the formula of super profit method? Wait for 2 minutes. You have to write fast this thing. Now the second method by super profit method. So what is the formula of super profit method? First you calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit and divided by number of year. Next CI. So normal profit. Calculate normal profit. Formula of normal profit CI into NRR divided by 100. Now you calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to AVP first minus second. Now you calculate goodwill. What is the formula of goodwill? Goodwill is equal to SP super profit into number of purchase year. So AVP has given in the question 1,50,000. Here AVP given normal profit. Normal profit CI into NRR divided by 100. CI means capital investment. Capitals are 2 and 3 into 5 lakh. 3 lakh. 5 lakh into NRR. NRR, rate of NRR 20% divided by 100. So it means 5 lakh into 20%. So I think 1 lakh. The total will be 1 lakh. Now you have got average profit, you have got normal profit. Now you calculate super profit. What is the formula of super profit? AVP minus NP. So AVP 1,50,000 and minus NP 1 lakh. The total will be 50,000. Next formula, last formula, goodwill. How to calculate the goodwill? Super profit, SP is a short form of super profit into number of purchase year. So super profit given in the question 50,000, number of purchase year. Number of purchase year 2. The answer will be 1 lakh answer. Clear? So first you calculate AVP, then you calculate normal profit, then you calculate super profit, then you calculate goodwill. This is the first board question.